Hello and welcome. Has it ever happened to you that you've actually injured your hands while removing the hooks or the lures from the fish's mouth? It actually happened to me on several occasions, and well, I can tell you right away that it is a very unpleasant experience. And when it happens, you ask yourself, what I can do in order to prevent that from happening in the future, and that's where this gadget comes to your aid. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to become a part of our community and support the channel. So let us talk a little bit about this gadget. This gadget is a mini lip gripper for the fishes. Why it's called mini? Because it's pretty small, as you can see, and it fits in your hand quite easily, so you can actually put it in any tackle box of yours. But one other thing which I would like to mention is that this one, which I'm showing you right now, is meant for the smaller fishes. Because, well, if the pike or the muskie or any other predatory fish that you'll catch will be quite big, well, this one, I don't really think that this one will work pretty well, and you will need a bigger one, something like this one, as you can see. Well, I have actually done a video on this one, and well, in the end of this video, you'll see a link to this gadget. So I've actually showed this one along with the pliers. But we are here not to talk about the bigger gadget, we are here to talk about the smaller one. So it is fully made from metal, and well, it is stated that it is made from a stainless steel. In my opinion, well, it might be, because I can actually see that there is a cover layer on the steel, so it shouldn't rust, in my opinion. Also, it has this carabiner attached to it, which you can attach to your clothes, so it's quite comfortable. And well, over here you have this switch, which when you pull, it opens up these jaws, and basically you just, when you catch the fish, it goes into the fish's mouth, and you just release the switch, and it basically holds the fish while you are removing the hook. In my opinion, that is a very good gadget, but there are plenty of variations of it. Well, the ones which are made from stainless steel, from plastic, etc. You can actually check that on Amazon, and if you'd like to check the price for this gadget, I'll put the link in the description for you to have a look. In my opinion, well, this gadget is pretty useful, and you should always have one of these or the bigger ones in your tackle box, because, well, you never know when it will actually help you remove the hook or the lure from that predatory fish you've just caught. Well, that's basically all that I wanted to talk about this gadget. My opinion, it's a pretty good tool to have with you while fishing. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.